How to make money with Ossa.ai, a beginner's guide to passive income on YouTube. Are you looking for an easy, semi-automated way to earn passive income from home? Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to streamline your content creation process, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a monetizable YouTube channel and use Ossa.ai to create high-quality videos with the least amount of effort. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your YouTube channel. The first step to making money on YouTube is creating a channel. If you don't already have one, head over to YouTube, click on your profile icon, and select Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your niche or content focus, something memorable and searchable. Once your channel is set up, add a professional logo and banner to make it visually appealing. Don't forget to write an engaging About section that tells viewers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. Step 2. Pick a profitable niche. Next, decide on a niche that has a strong demand for content. Some of the most profitable niches include personal finance, health and fitness, self-improvement, and tech tutorials. The key is to focus on a niche that's evergreen, meaning it has lasting appeal and can attract viewers over time. Research popular channels in your niche and identify gaps you can fill with your content. Step 3. Sign up for Ossa.ai. Once your channel is set up, it's time to streamline your video creation process. Click the link in the description to sign up for Ossa.ai and start your free trial. Ossa.ai makes it incredibly easy to create high-quality videos without the need for expensive equipment or editing software. After signing up, take a few minutes to explore the platform and familiarize yourself with its features. Step 4. Create videos with minimal effort. Now for the fun part, creating your videos. Use Ossa.ai AI-powered script generator to draft video scripts quickly. Simply enter a topic and the platform will generate professional quality scripts in seconds. Next, use Ossa.ai built-in voiceovers to add narration to your videos. You can choose from a variety of voice styles to match your content's tone. Finally, customize your videos with branding elements like logos, colors, and fonts to give your channel a polished, professional look. Step 5. Upload, optimize, and monetize. Once your videos are ready, upload them to your YouTube channel. Make sure to optimize each video by adding keyword-rich titles, descriptions, and tags to improve visibility in search results. Use eye-catching thumbnails to grab attention and encourage clicks. After reaching 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start earning ad revenue. But that's not all. Include affiliate links in your descriptions, like your Ossa.ai affiliate link, to generate additional income streams. Step 6. Automate and scale your channel. To keep your channel growing, use Ossa.ai to batch create videos and schedule uploads in advance. This approach allows you to stay consistent without constantly creating new content. As your channel gains traction, you can reinvest earnings into ads or outsourcing to scale even faster. Final thoughts. Building a passive income stream with YouTube has never been easier, thanks to tools like Ossa.ai. You can create a profitable channel with minimal effort by combining the platform's AI features with smart monetization strategies. Nothing will start you on the journey to passive income until you take action. So click the link in the description to sign up for Ossa.ai and activate your free trial today. Do it now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching.